Guys, welcome to QuizProf. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your Amazon App Store account. Now remember, from the Google latest update, it will not be possible for you to serve ads on your app if you don't have your app uploaded on Google Play Store, Amazon Play Store, or Samsung App Store. Now, Google Play Store, as you know, is difficult to get these days and it is not cheap. It's kind of expensive to some people. You have to pay $25 for you to be able to upload your app on Play Store, which new beginners may not be able to afford. But there is an alternative. The alternative here is the Amazon App Store. Now in this Amazon App Store is completely free. You don't need to pay any money for you to get into the Amazon App Store. So in this video I will show you how to go about it, how to create your Amazon App Store account. Now first of all, for you to create this Amazon App Store account, you must have an Amazon account. For you to be able to do this, you must have an Amazon account. So first of all, I'm going to create an Amazon account. Then from there we'll now go to creating our Amazon App Store account. So first of all, I'll go to amazon.com. I'll go to amazon.com. I'll go to amazon.com. Then I'll click on I'll go here. Create your Amazon account. Here I'll put my name. I'll put Mike. I'll put my mobile number. First, you must choose your country code. Then input your password. Repeat your password. You must make sure that the password you inputted tallies with the two of them. They are the same password. Then you'll be asked to verify your phone number. Now you will solve a puzzle that will be given to you. Okay, we are good to go. We have solved the puzzle. Now they will send me a code that I will input for the verification. Okay, our Amazon App Store has been created, which is the first step. Now remember, if you have an Amazon account already, don't follow this step. Just go ahead and follow this second step I'm going to show you guys. Now the second step is you open a new tab, then go to developer.amazon.com. When you get to developer.amazon.com, now come down here, you will see Amazon App Store. Now come down, you will say create developer account. Now they will ask you create an account, which is Amazon developer account. You can say I already have an account. You sign in, click on sign in. But if you don't have an account, you can create an account from there. Then from here we will now input the details we use in creating our Amazon account. Create Amazon developer account, and they will ask for name. Now I have to input your email address. Then input your password. Create developer account. And they will send an OTP to your email address. So just go to there and copy the code or create, verify your email address. Then that's all. Now you can now sign in. So here you will now input your name, input your country, input your company name, input phone number, which is basically the phone number you provided while creating your Amazon account. Then verify put your support. If you don't have support email, you can use the same email. Then here you input your address. Input your address. Input your city. Then the zip code to your state. The zip code to your state. So if you reside in Lagos or any part of the world, you have a state, input the zip code that represents your state. And that's all. I've read and agreed to the terms and of the Amazon Developer Service Agreement. Click on Submit. Okay, welcome to Amazon Developer Portal. Tell us about your interest so we can keep you informed about our product and features and updates. You can choose or you can choose to leave it, but I like taking all of this stuff. But I will not take this one. Continue completing your profile. Okay, that's it. We are all done. We are all done here. So what you should do next is go to app and services. Go to my apps. Now here you can start uploading your apps. It's totally free. You don't need to pay any money. Once you create the account to upload your app, should start showing ads. Also add your app on your AdMob account. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if this video is very helpful to you, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.